What is going on, everybody, and welcome to another video that I've put together to just share some information with you. If you are new to the channel, welcome to Passive Income for you. This is Jefrey Mihedji, and welcome. What I want to do today is give you guys a quick look at the platform that I've been building on for the past 12 months or so. If you guys are looking for a real legit way to make money online, I suggest you check this out. This isn't a situation where we're going to be giving you a push button system or a business in a box where you don't have to do anything but just show up, turn your computer on, and you see money flowing in. This isn't that situation. Most of those situations will actually cost you money. This particular situation and opportunity is free to get signed up, as you can see right here where it says sign up, the blue button. You click that, you put in your information such as your email and basic information to get started. Jump on the platform to start learning. If you are new and don't know what affiliate marketing is all about, they're going to give you the information pretty much step by step. Break it down into bite-sized pieces so that you don't get lost, you don't get confused along the way. The reason I'm bringing this to your attention now is because Black Friday is coming around, and a lot of people are going to be spending money on useless things like they do every year. And then when it comes around, again, they go out there and spend money on useless things. But I want you guys to really just take the time, hear me if you haven't figured out that there's other things that you could do with your time and with your money. I encourage you this Black Friday, don't spend money on crap. Rather, spend money on things that'll actually benefit you in the future and actually get you to the position that you want to be in life. And if that's, being your own boss, building your own business, giving yourself a pay raise, just having time, location, financial freedom, whatever it is that makes you get up in the morning and push hard for your goals, this can help you if you spend the time getting the information. Now, look up here. What does it say? Education. If you don't know, again, anything about making money online, there's so many ways to make money online. This particular platform is designed for entrepreneurs and affiliate marketers, but if you are looking to just get your feet wet and understand how the opportunity presents itself to make money online, this would be a great way for you to get started without spending any money, but get tons of education to open your eyes up to just, all the different ways that you can actually attack making money online. Not only that, once you do decide that you want to take this route and you want to build some income and make this online, more than likely you're going to need to have some sort of website, some home base that you can produce content and people can go to the website or to the podcast or the YouTube channel, whatever it is, and find you. And in this case, if it's a website, they have the website builder so that you're able to build a website. And not only that, look what the next thing says, hosting. So you can get the hosting as well. So hosting, websites, education, domains, community support, and there's definitely success happening in the community. So if you want to learn more about Wealthy Affiliate, like I said earlier, it's a free platform to get started on. I'm going to leave a link in the description, obviously, for you to take advantage of. Now, if you decide to get started right now, you can sign up for free and take advantage of the Black Friday special, which begins on the 29th of this month and it ends on the 2nd of December. So I encourage you, with this time that you have, go ahead and sign up as a free starter member and see what the community has to offer, see what the education has to offer. And if it's something that you're interested in learning more about, then you can take advantage once the Black Friday special starts to upgrade your membership from a starter member maybe to a premium member. And at that time, not only are you going to get a great savings, but you're going to get more tools, more resources, more community support that will enable you to build your business if you're just getting started, or take your business to the next level if you've been struggling to scale. Now, again, I just want to give you guys an idea of what to expect. When you click the link, it's going to take you to a page that looks like this. So this is, again, the Black Friday special that's coming up. It's our most exciting offer ever is what they put on the page. And as you can see, the dates here, November 29th through December the 2nd. Right now, there's 16 days, 18 hours, 57 minutes, and 1 second So if you're not a member, click this, get started. And if you are a member, you can click here to jump into your dashboard. But like I said, this is going to give you tons of support, tons of education, and tons of tools and resources to get you going. If you, again, have been interested in making money online and you just don't know how to get started, you're scared of losing money with all the scams that are out there, I completely understand. And that's why I'm presenting you with this opportunity where you can register, sign up for free, no credit card necessary. And once you see what the platform has to offer as far as training and coaching and support and mentorship, then you can invest in a premium membership if that's what you want. But check out more information on the channel. Subscribe if you haven't. Give this video a thumbs up if this is something that you found beneficial. And I look forward to seeing you on the next one. Hopefully you can get signed up sooner than later if you haven't already, and then take advantage of the Black Friday special. And then we'll see you on the inside. And if you have any questions once training begins, let me know and I'm there to help and assist. Thanks, guys. Talk to you soon. Peace.